Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to another edition of 4-Minute Friday Fun with BCSC Tech. Today we're going to talk about Google Forms. It originally was a survey tool, but they've expanded to become a quiz tool as well. So if you're thinking about this in terms of the UDL framework, it's a great tool for action and expression. It's also another good tool that you can use for exit tickets, or if you just want them to think about the way they're thinking and showing some of those qualities of an expert learner. Also very helpful with that.
Awesome. So I'm going to take over in Drive. We are in Google Drive, and you're going to click the New button, which is now blue. Go down to the bottom, then slide over to the top. Up at the top is purple Google Forms. You're going to go in. You're going to title it first and foremost so you know what it is. What are we going to call it?
Dogs.
Dogs. Okay, dogs it is. And then it automatically updates the title for you.
Cool.
Okay. Do you like the purple?
No, we don't really have any purple schools.
I really like the purple. We have all these color options, but if we go down here to this image button, we have all different themes that we can choose from.
You can even upload your own folder.
Yeah, upload
or photo.
photos. Mm-hmm.
I like the jelly beans though.
Okay, I think those are Mike and Ike's, and our quiz is called Dogs, but we'll go with it. So,
look at that.
It changes everything. It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have all different kinds of questions you can add. Multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, check boxes for like check all that apply like they see on iStep, drop down, linear scale, multiple choice grid, date and time.
Yep.
Yeah. So
What's that image there?
Oh, the image. If you click on it, you can upload an image, take snapshots, all this stuff. You can search. Yeah. So
that's
let's
also
say
a new
dogs.
option.
Fantastic. Let's use this one.
Winter. I'm not ready for winter.
Image. There's your image to go with your question. Do you like dogs or cats better?
I'm allergic to both,
So your answer would be neither, but let's just say dogs or cats.
You can add another option, and I could just say allergy.
Other.
There you go.
Okay, fantastic. So we have that as an option. Then over here, you can add other titles and descriptions in. You can put other images in, YouTube videos.
In between questions.
Yeah, in between. And you can add sections. So let's say we wanted to add section 2. We can come to this question. And on this question, we can choose these 3 little dots and go to section based on answer. You can skip to different sections based on what your answer is. So if they answer dogs, you can take them to a dog section. If they answer cats, you can take them to a cat section.
And you can make them required or not?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent.
Yep. Yeah, and you can just trash them easily or duplicate them. Yep.
All right.
So if you want to share this, you can click this send button, send it out. It'll embed it in an email. So if we wanted to send it to somebody with a message, click include it in the email.
It's not as engaging though, just kind of as an FYI.
Not as cool, no. You can add collaborators from here, just like on any other Drive
Very cool
thing that you use. Up here, you have your link and your embed code. You can change the width and the height of how big you want to embed it, and it'll update the HTML code for you.
Excellent.
So I have created one, and it's Learning for Nick. This is one that I just put the link in, and it shows up like this. Nick embedded it into a note, and it looks like this when it embeds. You can obviously make it bigger.
So if you want to embed in a page or anything like that, you have to use the embed code, not the link.
Yeah, so this is a quiz that I made for Nick, so he's going to take it real fast. Here we go.
All right, here we go. Favorite coworker. Let's go with Delaney. And favorite Disney movie. We'll do the first one, Snow White.
Awesome.
Of course, IU.
Best school in all of the land.
Saved by the Bell.
It's not an opinion at all.
We have Slater, Screech, Zach, Kelly, Lisa, and Jesse. I don't remember.
I am impressed right now. View your score, and it'll come up and show you that your total right now is a 21 out of 26.
What'd I miss?
Because this one I have to manually score because I didn't put in a correct answer.
So I got them all right?
So you got them all right. You obviously chose the correct answer on number 1.
Excellent feedback. Duh. Oh, I got all of them right. Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Yep.
Excellent.
Okay. And that's how Google Forms work. Anything else, Nick?
Nope. Thanks for joining us.
See you later.